Every eye-catching post you see online often hides a carefully constructed backdrop. And now you'll learn how to build one yourself from scratch. How to create social media pattern backdrops. Open Photoshop and create a canvas sized for your platform, such as 1080 by 1080 pixels for square posts. Choose a simple shape tool like circles or rounded rectangles and place one element near the center, setting a vibrant fill color that matches your brand palette. Duplicate the shape multiple times and arrange copies evenly across the canvas using alignment controls so spacing looks intentional rather than random. Group all shapes